Hi everyone. Today in this video we are exploring the amazing benefits of using ice cubes for face. Cucumber ice cubes. Cucumber are known for their high water content and cooling effect, which help soothe and hydrate the skin and helps heal the sunburn. The cold temperature of the ice cube helps to reduce puffiness and dark circles, especially around the eyes. To make cucumber ice cube, start by blending a fresh cucumber until smooth. You can strain the mixture if you prefer a smoother texture. Add few drops of lemon for that extra glow. Stir the mixture well. Pour the cucumber juice into an ice tray. Place the tray in the freezer until the cucumber juice is completely frozen. Once frozen, pop out a cube and gently rub it on your face in circular motions for a refreshing skin. Applying cucumber ice cube can help tighten and minimize the appearance of pores. Regular use can brighten your skin and enhance your natural glow. Cucumber have anti-inflammatory properties that can calm irritated skin and reduce redness. Use it in the morning to reduce puffiness and wake up your skin. Incorporate into your nighttime skincare routine for a soothing and hydrating boost. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer for best results. Green tea ice cubes. Green tea has anti-inflammatory properties that can help calm irritated skin. The antibacterial property in green tea can help reduce breakouts. The cold temperature of ice cubes help to lighten and minimize pore. To make green tea ice cube, take a glass of hot water. To it, add high quality green tea leaves or tea bags. After brewing the green tea, allow the tea to cool to room temperature. Then pour it into an ice tray. Place the tray in freezer until the tea is completely frozen. Once frozen, pop out a cube and gently rub it on your face in circular motions for a refreshing skin. Regular use can improve your skin's overall complexion, leaving it radiant and refreshed. Rich in antioxidants, green tea can help fight signs of aging and improve skin elasticity. Use it in the morning for an instant wake up boost. Incorporate into your nighttime skincare routine for added hydration. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer for best results. These DIY ice cubes are packed with antioxidants and offer numerous benefits for your skin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural skincare tips and DIY beauty recipes. Hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post new video. Thanks for watching.